So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to split screen different clips here in iMovie. So first thing you have to do is open up iMovie and add multiple clips to your design. So for me right here, I actually have a movie that just has a blank background showing. Now if you wanted to add a split screen photo or a split screen video, it's super simple and straightforward. Go to the middle left here, press on the plus icon. Now for me, I actually am on my camera roll, so go to your camera roll for instance, and then press on whatever photo or video that you want. So if I wanted to add this photo right here, don't press on the circle with the plus arrow, instead press on the option on the right hand side of the three dots. Then where it says add as cutaway picture and picture split screen, green splash blue screen, go ahead and press on split screen. And what this does is it actually does have the videos cut in half. So if I were to play this video, it has the one showing on the other side and then the other showing on the other side as well. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add or that's how you guys can split screen different clips here in iMovie to a video. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.